In the basic display of S-Bench 6, click the Input Mode dialog. The standard mode is the simplest recording mode and supported by all our digitizers. In this mode, the recorded data is written directly into the onboard memory of the hardware and can be read out by S-Bench 6 after the recording is finished. The standard single mode is already pre-selected by default. In this dialog, you will also find a mem-size input field. The mem size determines how many samples per channel should be acquired. For this example, please type in 32ks. By clicking Clock, you switch to the Clock dialog. In the internal clock field, you can set the desired sampling rate. When using the standard mode, the maximum sampling rate for your digitizer is pre-selected. You can reduce the sampling rate here, for example if you want to record over a longer period of time. As the next step, click the Trigger dialog. The standard trigger mode is software, and therefore it's already pre-selected. When using the software as a trigger, the acquisition is started immediately when the card is ready. Now click the Input Channels dialog. In this dialog, we have an overview of all available hardware channels and their setups. All analog recording channels are activated as default, so we do not have to change anything here. In this example, the digital inputs stay disabled. To start a single-shot recording, click on the single shot button in the toolbar, which has a green arrow symbol. The recording is stopped automatically after reaching the number of samples you chose before as mem size. If you want to run the recording in an endless loop, you can do this by pressing the loop button. You can stop the recording at any time by pressing the stop button.